Hello everyone! Celebrate this Thanksgiving with a mouth-watering Dutch apple pie. It is similar to a traditional pie, but with a crunchy streusel topping and caramelized apple filling. You can enjoy it cold, warm, and even better with a scoop of ice cream. So let's get started! For the filling, mix together 110 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 40 grams of all-purpose flour, 2.5 grams of salt, 3 grams of cinnamon, and 1.5 grams of nutmeg. Peel and slice 1,000 grams of apples into thin slices. I used a combination of Granny Smith's and Honeycrisp apples. Mix apples with dry ingredients and 20 grams of lemon juice and 0.25 grams of lemon zest. Cook the apples over low heat, covered until they are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to stir the apples every 2 to 3 minutes. While apples are cooking, we can make the streusel topping by mixing together 135 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 110 grams of brown sugar, 1.25 grams of salt, and 113 grams of melted unsalted butter. Cover and chill the streusel in the refrigerator. Once apples are cooked, mix in 5 grams of vanilla paste. Spread apple filling onto a sheet pan and allow it to cool completely. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I prepared my pie shell the day before. For recipe, click on the link in the upper right-hand corner. Link is in the description box below as well. Once apple filling has completely cooled, fill the pie shell with the filling. Then cover the surface with crumbled streusel topping. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. Allow pie to cool completely before serving. Time to taste! It's so crunchy. The apples are nice and caramelized. Still a little tart. The crumble is super crunchy, as well as the crust. It's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain, think is first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!